The house, a dream realized, was born from a simple desire to live in harmony with nature. Its inhabitants yearned for a space that would frame the beauty of the surrounding park, a place where indoor and outdoor living blurred seamlessly. To fulfill this aspiration, MIDE Architects crafted a single-story dwelling that is both a sanctuary and a stage for the natural world. At its heart lies the living room, a luminous expanse of glass that opens onto a generous porch. This architectural gesture transforms the space into a transparent pavilion, a perfect reflection of the park beyond. The porch, a protective embrace, shields the interior from the elements while inviting the outside in. It is more than just a covered outdoor space, it's a transitional zone where the boundaries of the home extend into the natural world. In contrast to the extroverted living area, the sleeping quarters retreat into a more intimate realm. Here, concrete walls, bearing the raw imprint of their creation, enclose the private spaces. Yet, these walls are not devoid of connection to the outdoors. Geometric openings carefully placed within them offer glimpses of the garden, creating a dialogue between the interior and exterior. A flat roof crowns the house, unifying its various components beneath a protective shell. This architectural element serves a dual purpose. It shields the dwelling from the sun's rays and the vagaries of the weather while also creating a sense of enclosure and security. Notably, the roof incorporates light wells that frame the park's trees, further reinforcing the symbiotic relationship between the house and its surroundings. And there you have it, a stunning house with a large porch designed by MIDE Architects. This architectural marvel seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And for more inspiring home designs and architectural wonders, subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching.